Hello kids, welcome to CAA YouTube channel. I am teacher Minias. Today we are going to learn about letter O. Now let's start, okay? Everyone, what letter is this? Okay, this is letter O. Everyone say letter O. Letter O. Uppercase O, and this is lowercase o, okay? Uppercase O, lowercase o. Uppercase O, lowercase o. Can everyone repeat? Okay, very good. Uppercase O, lowercase o. Okay, everyone, what is the sound of letter O? Now I will tell you. Letter O sound up. Letter O sound up, okay? O, ostrich. O, ostrich. Okay, ostrich. Everyone, ostrich. Okay, ostrich. And this one, ox. 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 Okay, ox. Everyone, your turn. Okay, good. Ox. Ox. One more word. It starts with letter O also, okay? O, What is this? Do you know? It lives in the sea, okay? It lives in the water, okay? What kind of animal is this? Now I will tell you. O, octopus. O, octopus. Okay? Octopus. Everyone repeat again. Octopus. Everyone? Octopus. Good job. So, letter O sound up. Letter O sound up. O, ostrich. O, ostrich. O, ox. O, ox. O, octopus. O, octopus. Okay, everyone, now your turn. Okay, very good. So today we learn about letter O and the three words here. So don't forget to practice at home. Goodbye everyone. See you next time.